Oh my god! I'm being a complete retard right now. I was told to go wait in the basement because there's a tornado in Chesterfield on its way over. But, as I was gathering my stuff, I heard creaking. Turns out we have about golf ball sized hail coming down. It's really hard to see on here. And I'm gonna get hit by it. I should be wearing a helmet. I have never seen this. Oh, that was a good one. Ooh. Alright. People rushing home, getting out of it. I can't see anything. Wow. I think before something bad happens, that one was close. Before I get hit, before anything happens, I'm gonna run inside now. I'm gonna go ahead and run away, just in case a tornado does come over here. I highly doubt it, but you never know. Oh, there's the wind. Okay. Going inside now.